All right, what have we got today? We've got the Yashe skincare fridge. Now, okay, let's have a look here. Skincare and beauty storage, extend product shelf life, hot and cold function, reduce bacteria growth, refresh and soothe your skin and tighten pores, etc., etc. Now, in the Amazon ad, it showed cans of pop in there. So I'm thinking that's what I would use it for. So let's get this out of the box and see what we can see here. Old school, bad for the environment styrofoam. There appears to be no manual in the box, so perhaps there's one in the bag. Or maybe they picked it up inside the fridge itself. Just peel that off. And let's see, there's a handle on the top, right there. And then you've got your DC or your AC cord, so you can use this in a car. And then you got your hot operation or your cold operation. Now, see if we can get, okay, there's the door hinge. So the door clasp is over here, and we can open her up. Okay, so inside you got your pamphlet in there. Put this aside, and we got some cable. That's for your cigarette lighter. So that's your double square on the back. So right. So this, the cigarette lighter, 12 volt, goes in there. And then if you want to use it in your home, you use that outlet, you use this cord that gives you just a regular plug. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange my camera angle. And I'm going to pop 6 cans of pop in this, and then we're going to see how long it takes to cool things down. How about that? Open the door. Got a little rack for something in here. I don't know what. Probably to do with stuff and things. And then we've got 2 plastic shelves. And just turn it that way. What I decided to do for a test was load it up here with some cans, but in order to do that, you've got to take out the dividers. So my guess is one of the functions, that really hurt. Nope, of course not. It would be kind of cool if you could store the little dividers in there, but you can't. All right. Oh, okay. I was for nothing there. Okay. So it does indeed fit your 6 cans. And we'll close her up. Okay. I'm going to flip it on to cold, and we'll see you in about 10 minutes. Doesn't seem to make a lot of noise. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, and I was reading in the manual to see if there was anything I left out talking about it. It's got a 1-year warranty, and if you switch this from cooling operation to warming operation, you gotta wait a half an hour, or vice versa. Let's open the door and see if we've got any kind of cooling sensation on these cans yet. Not really after 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back at you again after another half an hour. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, we're back. So half an hour from last time, and so now 40 minutes. These cans have been in here, and I don't know. Let's open one of these and see if it's above room temperature here. All right. So, I don't know. I don't know what to say at this point. Because, 40 minutes to cool 6 cans of pop. It's on. It's not giving me any warning lights or anything like that saying anything's wrong. Seems to be operating, but it seems to not be really cooling this stuff down. Doesn't seem any colder than it was after 10 minutes, to be honest with you. So I'm going to let it go for another hour, and we'll see what it is. And, yeah. All right, it's been another hour. I read the manual like 57 more times. See if there's something I'm doing wrong. And we pull out a can. And I have to say it is marginally colder than the first two. So we'll pop this open. So the verdict there is an hour and 40 minutes to get it to the point where, it's cold-ish. It's not, I didn't expect this to get it ice cold. You know what I mean? I didn't expect that, but I think I'm going to leave it overnight. See what it's like in the morning. But I'm not really, I'm nonplussed with this thing. All right. So now we've left this thing on overnight. It's been 8 hours. So let's see how cold we've gotten in here. Okay, now now you're dealing with that's what I would expect in, a couple of hours. Cheers. That's what I would consider a cold can of pop, but who knows at what point in those 8 hours it got down to this temperature. It did take an awful long time. So if you're one of those people that plan ahead, this might work for you. Now here's something I didn't notice. There's a mirror on the front. See? And you got 3 levels of lighting, so you can light up your life while you're waiting for your stuff to cool.